Okay, let's nerd out today on responsive and adaptive website design. First of all, what does that mean? It's basically taking your website and making sure that it can adapt or respond to the wide range of mobile devices that are out there. Now, all of us, we all know, I think everyone on this watching this video probably has a different size phone or tablet or what have you that you're looking at this on. So we want to make sure that your website is taking that into account and presenting the best user experience possible. And that's important for a few reasons. One, it's going to continue to be more and more the place that users are consuming your content. And two, devices are going to continue to evolve, so responsive and adaptive doesn't mean like it used to, oh, you need a tablet design or a phone design. Your website has to be truly flexible to adapt to whatever crazy new super tall phone comes out, and it needs to work for a touch interface. It's also important because platforms like Google or all the main social media platforms continue to put more emphasis on this. So it's going to be a key to driving your website's visibility because they know that it's crucial to their users and how they're going to monetize their products. So make sure you don't miss the boat on responsive and adaptive design. If you'd like to learn more, I encourage you to check out hingeuniversity.com/visibleFirm. Hope you enjoyed nerding out with me on responsive and adaptive design for your website. Thanks for listening.